Number 2 asks, determine whether the number of solutions that the equation have. So basically, we're going to solve and see the amount of solutions. So here, we'll start by drawing down the line down the middle here. Then once we have this, we can then solve. So here's the line down that middle. And then here, we're now going to try to attempt it to solve. Notice that we have the 2 in front, so we're going to distribute. 2 times x is 2x. 2 times -5, it is -10. We bring down the equal sign. We bring down that 2x minus 5, right? Now we're trying to get the variable alone, so we're going to subtract 2x to both sides. 2x minus 2x will cancel everything. The 2x minus 2x will cancel. We're left with -10 is equal to -5. When is this possible? This is never. -10 is never equal to -5. So we would say this one has no real solution. All right, now let's do this to question B here. So we're going to solve it again. There are some like terms that we have, 2x. And the 2x here, this becomes 4x. Bring everything else down, bring down the plus 11, makes this equal. 6 plus 5 also becomes 11. Bring down the 4x plus. Notice the left matches the right, all right? If you don't believe me, just subtract 4x to both sides. 4x minus 4x will cancel. 4x minus 4x cancels. Now you're left with an 11 is equal to 11. When is 11 equaling to 11? That is going to be always. So this is going to have a infinitely number of solutions. All right. There you go.